Math is good. Math is numbers. Math and numbers form life because life is math and math and math. And the Star Wars crawl is gonna go until the math is done. Math is forever and math is, oh yeah,
Rewriting rational exponents. It's too hard. How can I turn them into radicals? There's only one man who can do this. Get me the mathematician!
Yes, sir!
Oh, God. Hello?
Yes. Is it the mathematician?
Yes. We need you. Fine. God help us all. Sweetie, I'm going to be away for some time.
Where will you be going?
They need me for math related math.
You swore you would never do math again.
Darn it, woman! Ugh. I know what I swore, but they need me out there. For radicals.
Please don't go. You'll die.
I'll be fine, sweetie. And remember, if I don't return, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Where is he? He's not here. There's something wrong. No. Division. Thank God you're here. We need you. You want radicals? I am radical. Oh yeah. Yeah, great. We really need you to solve these problems for us. Show me the problems. Yeah. They're right over there on the desk. Thanks. My God. They're worse than I thought. Is there any way you can do them? Any way? Can you show us how? Can you tell us how to do them? Give me a pencil. I'll give it my best shot. Here you go. Do you have a manlier pencil? No. Actually. Then I'll need my protection. Let's do this. Mr. Mathematician, can you breathe in that? No, not in the slightest. Oh God, this thing's awful. All right. Let's do this. To learn how to write these correctly, we must start with a practice problem. So, I will write A with the exponent 7/4. Now, equal signs have 2 lines, so this equals... Now this is where it gets important. You cannot mess up at this part. 4 square root A7. This is what it is meant to look like. The A flies over to here. The 4 swoops in right around, bam, right there. And the 7 for the final haymaker, kapow, right there. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. But what are the problems? Those are the problems, you fool. No, I mean, what are the mistakes that people make? People have to have made mistakes while doing those ridiculous problems. Oh. Well, let me show you. So then, let's start from the top. We have A, nice little A there, 7/4 equals 4 square root. Oh, bloody. All right. Put that right there. Then we have 4A7. There we go. Now, occasionally, people will say, oh, there, mathematician. We're going to put 7/4 right here and then equal 7 radical A4. Now this is the most common mistake I've ever seen in any problem of any time ever. Wow. But what about the lesser known mistakes that people have made at any given time? What you said. Tee, ha, hoo, ah. The lesser known mistakes. Well, let's get started. Very lesser known mistake that is also very similar to what I showed you. In fact, it's almost exactly like I just showed you, but I will write it out just in case you did not understand what I told you before. So, we have A, once again, with a 7 and a 4. Now that is a bad 7, and that is a bad 4. I will start over one more time. So we have A, 7/4. Equal signs, 2 lines, and then this is where people can also mess up at any given time. We have a square root right here. Now I'm going to put that there as a placeholder for now. So, people will mess up occasionally by saying perhaps A and then 7/4. Or perhaps maybe a square root, a 4, a 7, and an A. You see, people will mess up at any time by mixing up these. You cannot mix up these. You must know exactly how to write it before you start. Well, there goes your test. Okay, so that's it? Showed you everything I know about rationals and radicals. Okay, thank you for your service. Very much. The pleasure is all mine, I swear. Can I maybe crash here for a while? No, get out. I had that coming. Okay, alright, I'll get out.